Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you ready to go on a super fun sound adventure with me? Let's go! Whoa, just look at all these cool pictures. We're going to find out all about the letters and the fun sounds they make. It is going to be awesome. So I have a really big question for you. Are you ready to play with letters? I'm listening? Yes, I knew it. Let's do this. All right, first up, we're learning A, B, and C. Let's get ready to say them all together. Okay, here is our very first letter. It's the letter A, and it makes the ah sound. Kind of like when the doctor asks you to open your mouth wide. Ah. Let's try it. I'll go first. Ah. Now it's your turn. Wow, that was great. A is for axe. Can you hear that ah sound right at the start? Ah, ah, axe. Let's all say it together. Ready? Ah, ah, axe. And look at this little guy. A is also for ant. It's a teeny tiny ant. Can you say ah, ah, ant? Come on, let me hear you. Awesome. All right, are you ready for the next one? It's the letter B. It makes a super bouncy B sound. You kind of put your lips together and bop, B. You try it. Hey, look at this. It's that B sound. B is for bag. B, bag. Let's say it together. B, bag. You're doing so good. And bzzz, look what's flying by. It's a bee. B is for bee. Bee. Wow, you are a total pro at this. Okay, now for the letter C. This one makes a K sound. It's a quick little sound. K. Can you try to make that sound? Let's do it a few times. K, K, K. K, cap. That's right. C is for cap. Let's say it super loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. K, cap. Oh, and look at this. A sweet little cat. Cat. You are doing such an amazing job. Go on, give yourself a big clap. Wow, you are on a roll. Time for our next letters. D and E. I know you can do it. All right, get ready for the letter D. It makes a duh sound. You just tap your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Duh. My turn. Duh. Now your turn. Awesome. And look, this is perfect for our new sound. D is for door. Duh, door. Can you say that with me? Duh, door. Woof, woof, look at this happy guy. D is also for dog. Duh, dog. Let me hear you say it really loud. Go for it. Okay, we've made it to our last new letter for today. Are you ready? It's the letter E, and it makes an eh sound. It's a really short sound, like this. Eh. Can you give it a shot? Eh. That was perfect. Look, E is for egg. Egg. Let's say it together now. Egg. And here's a really big one. Wow, look at that elephant. Elephant. You have done such fantastic work learning all these new sounds today. You know what? You've become a total sound expert. So now it's time to play a game. Get your imaginary detective hat on, because it's time to be a sound detective. Okay, detective, look very closely at these pictures. We've got a B and a door. Now, which one starts with that B sound? Is it the B or the D door? Point to the one you think is right. It's the B. Yes, you totally got it. That was brilliant. Ready for another one? Let's do it. Which one of these starts with the sound? Is it the ant or the egg? What's your guess? It's the egg. You're right. You are a super sound detective. That game was so much fun, and you were great at it. Now, let's have a quick super sound review to see everything you learned. Okay, let's go through our sounds. We learned that A says ah, B says ba, C says ka, D says duh, and E says eh. Wow, look at all those sounds you learned. That is absolutely amazing work. You were an amazing sound explorer today. You really were. So I've got one last question for you. When you're playing later, what new sound do you think you'll discover? Keep your ears open. You did such an incredible job today, and I had so much fun with you. I can't wait for our next adventure together. Bye-bye for now.